So for this shawl I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. You can use 6 as well. I use the same 5.5 or 6. It's more or less the same in sizing. So we'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, two single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So all you need to do is chain 1, start the row with 2 single crochet and end with 2 single crochet, and just 1 single crochet in each stitch in between till the end of the shawl. So this is the final result as I showed you in the beginning of the video. I did total of 80 single crochet rows for this shawl, and the final measurement is 58 by 155. So it's 155 large and 58 long. So simple and easy shawl, just a single crochet, the favorite of everyone, in a triangular shape, and what you can do with it, a long scarf or a small shawl for the summertime. So if you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.